So that was the men's 200 butterfly. Coming up, the women's 200 butterfly, and you would think gold for the hosts, because in lane 4, the fastest qualifier, the Olympic champion at this event, Mireia Belmonte. She'll be in lane 4. There's Ana Monteiro, the second fastest qualifier from Portugal, and a big cheer for the local hero. Say local, she's from Badalona, just 60 kilometres away. Mireia Belmonte, the Olympic champion in the 200 butterfly. She won yesterday's 200 individual medley. She also has a silver from the 800 freestyle, the very first final of this gala. And she's the hot favourite to win a second gold of the week. I'm sure we'll see her in the medley relay later on as well. 4 lengths of the pool. Away, already a good start from Belmonte, although up in lane 7, very rapid start from Alessia Polieri, one of 2 Italians in the field. Stefania Pirozzi is the other one in lane 2. This is a real stamina-sapping event. The butterfly, the most physical of the strokes. Ana Monteiro in lane 5 turns in front, with Alessia Polieri in lane 7 in second. Anja Klinar of Slovenia in lane 3. She turned in 3rd place. You can see Monteiro in the lead, but Belmonte is coming back at her. Anja Klinar, who has 8 medals from 3 previous Mediterranean Games. She won her first gold at the age of 17 back in 2005. She struggled to win another medal here though. Monteiro, who's in the lead, Belmonte up into second, Polieri up in lane 7, she is in 3rd place, and those 3 just a little bit clear of the field. Belmonte looks like she's got a bit of a battle on her hands. She's down in 3rd place now, as Monteiro pours it on up front, but back comes Belmonte on the second part of this 50 metres, going into the final turn, just over 50 metres to go. It's Portugal's Ana Monteiro who leads, Polieri in second, Belmonte still in 3rd. What has she got left over these final 50 metres? Oh, she looks to have plenty. You can see Belmonte coming at the Portuguese, coming at Monteiro. Neck and neck now, inside the last 15-20 metres. Still saying Monteiro's just in front. Can Belmonte get there? It's going to be very, very tight. The gold in the women's 200 butterfly. Belmonte gaining with every stroke, and Belmonte just gets there. It's gold for Spain. It was very tight for the Olympic champion. She made very hard work of it, but she just got there right at the death. Mireia Belmonte with the gold, Ana Monteiro with the silver. 2:07.8, that's a very quick time. She needed to be near her best to win that, because Monteiro has pushed her all the way. Fantastic final. The bronze for Alessia Polieri of Italy. Well, you could see she was gaining inside that last 50 metres, but Ana Monteiro would not give in. Fantastic duel over the last 50 metres.
Your attention please, ladies and gentlemen, number 29, 50 meters, rest of them, Fabio Scorzoni,
This is the last, that was the last 50 metres, and it was neck and neck for a long time, and I think Belmonte only got in front inside the last 10.